you, my pretty, and your little dog, too.
I want to hear that.
But I want to say one thing to the American people. I did not have sexual relations with that woman, Miss Lewinsky. These allegations are false.
The great story here for anybody willing to find it and write about it and explain it is this vast right-wing conspiracy.
Yours is the aim to make this grand country grander. This you will do, that's our strong, firm belief. Hail to the one we selected as commander.
I'd like to publicly acknowledge that I recognize the pain and the suffering that they've gone through because of this. I wouldn't dream of asking Chelsea and Mrs. Clinton to forgive me, but I would ask them to know that I am very sorry for what happened and for what they've been through.
Senator, talk about conservative hit jobs, right-wing conspiracies. Why do you and the president have such a hyper-partisan view of politics?
Now, for the first time, I can tell you that you're a disaster.
Senator Clinton, George Bush fooled you. Why should Americans vote for someone who can be fooled by George Bush?